Thanks for joining me for this latest update for Scotland from the Met Office. The weather is on the change after a couple of very mild days. It is going to be turning colder, but really just temperatures getting back close to average. The reason? Because we've got a weather front moving in. That weather front is bringing outbreaks of rain through the west and moving into the east and the south during the early hours. It will be chiefly of rain, but some snow is likely on the hills. As it starts to clear late in the night, in the west, temperatures may drop down to 2 or 3 degrees, but generally 5 to 6 Celsius to start Wednesday. So again, reasonably mild at this stage. But the colder air is on the way. The rain will be on its way out, but still a wet start for much of Aberdeenshire and across the borders as well. But it should be clearing away quite smartly through the day. And then we're looking at showers coming in from the northwest. Plenty of them too over the Western Isles and increasingly over the Highlands and the Northern Isles. Now these showers will be falling as snow over some of the higher routes. So you could catch a heavy shower, not expected to last too long, but nevertheless you could catch, as I say, a fresh dump of snow as these showers move through during Wednesday afternoon. Further south, well, any showers few and far between. The central belt generally dry, much of the south dry through the afternoon with sunny spells. And here, certainly at low levels, it will be rain that we see rather than snow. But it is going to feel colder everywhere. We've got northerly winds, nothing particularly strong, but they will make it feel quite a bit colder than it has done. It has been very mild, of course, with temperatures in the teens. So these temperatures, well, you will notice the difference, even though actually they're still close to average for the time of year. It will turn quite chilly on Wednesday evening. The potential for some ice as well, because we'll keep some showers going, and as temperatures start to plummet, as I said, could just be a little icy in places as we head into Thursday morning. We shouldn't see too much of a frost in the northwest because the clouds moving back in here for Thursday morning, but elsewhere, so there will be a frost in rural areas to begin the day. And then the cloud and the rain spill in over the Northern Isles, the Western Isles and northern parts of the Highlands with wet and increasingly windy weather during Thursday across the far north. Another very gusty one over the Northern Isles by the end of Thursday. Further south, just increasing cloud, but still dry and bright for much of the central belt, east coast and across the south. And temperatures just a degree or so higher on Thursday, so colder Wednesday, milder again Thursday, although obviously won't feel very pleasant with the wet and windy weather in the north. Likely to turn a bit colder again on Friday, so our temperatures up and down somewhat over the next few days, and then high pressure promising a dry weekend. More details on that if you follow us across social media.